In this session, we'll discuss about version control. So what is version control? A version control system or repository is a single source of truth by which we can track changes over time for a metadata or for a file. With version control, every modification in that file is recorded along with who made the changes and when. Also, we'll have backup and better collaboration between teams. As you can see in this particular file, we can see the history in which we can find who made the changes and when. There are several types of version control. However, we will mainly focus on Git version control. Version control with Git helps you to clone the repository locally for each developer. Let's understand what Git branch is. Commits are mainly done into Git branches. A branch collects version of files and the commit history and keeps reference of the changes over time. Branches can be created for different purposes. It can be a user story feature branch, a release branch, or a promotion branch. In this particular screenshot, you can see it is a feature branch. Also, you can see different type of branches are there in this repository. Main branch, that can be your production branch or the master branch, the dev branch, hotfix branch, etc. The main branch or the master branch contains the production version of your code. Next is pull request. A pull request is basically an approval process before merging two branches so that we can verify the changes that are being merged. You can see this image here. This is a pull request I'm trying to merge. Here I'm trying to merge this feature branch into the main branch. Before merging, I can verify which file is modified, and if we need, we can add approval or peer review process as per your company policy. If all are okay, we can proceed for the merge.